Hey, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 351 Windsor 410 horsepower roller cam engine for our customers' Dax Cobra Replica kit car. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we have a 351 Windsor. Installed a double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, high flow fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, all the gas filter, clamps, fittings ready to go, already installed. Oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. AFR aluminum cylinder heads installed. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Proper rear sump oil pan for the customer's Dax Cobra. Oil stick and tube. Taylor ignition wires in black, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Ford breather on there. MSD coil. Distributor set in place. We have the aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring and bracket, throttle cable ball installed, Cobra air cleaner. We have the proper standard flywheel for the customer's transmission, ARP flywheel bolts, all the clutch pressure plate bolts for the customer's clutch, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line, manifold vacuum fitting installed, greasy hookups for the vacuum, electric choke wire, chrome fuel line all hooked up, 140 amp chrome alternator, one wire hookup right here, heavy duty 8 rib serpentine belt. This is the high mount alternator for the Cobra kit cars, real important for frame clearance. That's installed. 45-degree thermostat housing on there, coolant bypass hose installed, thermostats installed. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested and dialed in for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, manifold vacuum, the timing will be set, idle mixture screws fully adjusted, completely dialed in, ready to go. So there you have it, our 351 Windsor 410 horsepower roller cam engine. Thanks for watching.